Our skin keeps water from getting inside our bodies, and sand, and all sorts of invisible germs. But sometimes the skin gets broken and germs enter our bodies. Like these bacteria. When bacteria or any living microbes enter the body and begin to reproduce, an infection is underway. But our bodies have a way to fight back. It's called the immune system. In this program, you'll be leading the fight. The first step is to alert the immune system that bacteria have entered the body. This flashing cell is called a mast cell. Click it and see what happens. The mast cell releases chemicals into the infected area. Chemicals from mast cells and other sources in the cut area cause the blood vessels to become leaky, which is why an infected wound becomes swollen with fluid. The chemicals also do something else. Click the blood vessel to see what it is. The chemicals increase the flow of blood to the infected area. This is why an infected area of your body becomes red and hot. The chemicals also attract white blood cells, called neutrophils, to the injury site. Neutrophils are vital in the body's fight against infection. Because of the chemicals present and the increased blood flow, there are now plenty of neutrophils moving in to fight the bacteria. Click one of the neutrophils and then drag it over some bacteria to destroy them.
The skin forms your body's first line of defense against germs. It also protects your iron by blocking the cells causing radiation. And then when you get it, when you're stressed, how do you control the hot weather?
Hey, stop it.
Keep going until you've destroyed all the bacteria. Keep going until you've destroyed all the bacteria. Great job! You've cleared up the local infection. But what's this? While you were fighting the local infection, a few bacteria escaped from the area through what are called lymphatic vessels. They ended up here in a lymph node. It looks like you'll have to continue leading the immune system's fight. This is a specialized white blood cell called the macrophage. Click the macrophage and drag it over to the... All types of bacteria have a set of uniquely shaped markers on their outside surface. Once the macrophage swallows up a bacterium, it displays that marker on its surface. These are enough. That's right. You've found the right shape. Once these helper T cells find a match, they start reproducing.
What?
Now click one of these new helper T cells. Chemicals from the helper T cells cause another type of white blood cell, called a B cell, to reproduce. The chemicals only affect B cells specific to the germ. These B cells also have an important role to play. Try clicking one and see what happens. The B cell has turned into a plasma cell. Try clicking a few more. More plasma cell. Now try clicking one of the plasma cells. The plasma cell makes chemicals called antibodies to fight the invading germs. The antibodies have just the right shape, so they attach to and attack these bacteria. You're going to need a lot of these, so click the rest of the B cells. antibodies can kill the bacteria directly. Or they can cause them to clump together. Now click the macrophage and drag it over to the clump of bacteria. The clumps of bacteria are easier for the macrophages to destroy. You should prepare for future invasions. Click another of the B cells. This is a memory cell, which will stay in the body for a long time. Memory cells remember this type of bacteria and will fight an infection quickly the next time this germ invades the body.